Hello YouTube. I'm doing a follow-up video from my previous. I did AT&T at the same location that I'm currently sitting at right now. It was at the MLK Memorial in Washington DC. AT&T didn't quite show up very well at this particular spot. They were using DSS version of 5G, and I wanted to come back again to do another network speed test for T-Mobile, and then I'm going to come back again in a couple more days with Verizon on the same exact phone. So right now, I want to do a speed test right here with a fast.com test. So let's see what happens. Okay. That is way better than AT&T showed up at the same exact spot a few days ago. I did not expect T-Mobile to come out the break like this. I guess N41 is reaching across the mall. And there's a lot of trees around me also. To be able to get this type of speed, that's very nice. Let's see what the fast.com is. And we are at 130, 140 megabits per second. This is the Magenta Max plan, so totally unlimited, no throttle, no nothing. You get everything that the network is trying to throw at you. This is very impressive given the fact that N41 is reaching across the mall to give this area coverage. So there's a building maybe a half a mile away from where I'm sitting right now, beyond the trees. So I'm getting this type of speeds through trees. That's pretty good. Let's see what the FCC app has to say about these speeds. Let's test this. The FCC app is kind of slow, but I would say give it some time. They don't have enough servers everywhere. Oh, that's very impressive. 356 down in the same exact spot that I'm at for AT&T, and AT&T barely showed up. T-Mobile is doing their networking a lot more impressive now than I have underestimated. 36 down, 36 up, 35 millisecond latency, and 13 millisecond jitter. One more test, and that is the good old Improv app. So let's restart this and see what happens. What do we got? 251 down. Max. 31 up. Latency is somewhere at the 50 millisecond time frame. Google, Facebook, Amazon. It's hanging up on Amazon. It timed out on Amazon. Zoom. Timed out on Zoom and Wikipedia. Let's see what the video streaming quality is going to be. So I'm gonna come back in a couple more days back to the same exact spot and do Verizon at the same exact location. That way you got a good video test across all three networks in what I perceive to be a very bad spot, but apparently it was only bad for AT&T right now. I'm eager to find out how it plays for Verizon also. The download's good, browsing not so good. Streaming, of course, you saw the fast.com. You can do 2 or 3 4K streams off that. So I'm not too particularly surprised about the streaming, but the browsing, that's network routing that needs to be worked on. But if y'all come back again, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to do Verizon next. Thank y'all for watching.